my camera
And what are you doing today?
working.
You working? You got your glove. Glovey, glovey. Hello everyone, it's Meg and I hope you enjoyed that little sneak peek of the video with Bali Ray featured. She seems to be getting more and more interested in coming into the salon and helping Mummy do her nail designs, which is really cute. So I think I might get her to do a few more of her own. But anyway, we're going to dive in today to a really cool, effective design that took minutes, quite frankly, with minimal effort. So we only used 4 products here. I started with Serious Black, as you can see. That was how it looked after the first coat, but I did do 2 coats of the Serious Black. And then once I did that, I then went in with our foil glue and just created a really nice smooth and even layer over the black. And then we will go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds as well. Our foil glue is really, really adhesive. I don't tend to find that I get any issues with foil sticking to it, which I do with other products. This tends to stick really well, as you can see. You want to make sure you make your mind up on where you put it because once it's down, it's down. So here you could do some pre-cuts where you could pre-cut a shape from your foil if you wanted, a really crispy, super perfected look, like a love heart or anything like that. But today I just went with a really easy abstract effect because I wanted to show how easy it was to use the product and create a really beautiful design, which I thought this was, and Bali seemed to really like it as well. So just like that, the nail's done. All it needs now is top coat. So that's how simple and easy it is to use our 4 products to create this beautiful design. And I do think that this could be a popular design for people that like chrome, people that like darker style, more gothic nails. I know I have a few clients myself personally that would definitely snap up this look in seconds. Once they see this, they're going to be like, yeah, that's mine, thank you. So yeah, what I'm doing here is I'm just showing you another version of the same nail. I didn't do all 5 on camera because obviously it's quite self-explanatory, but I'm just showing you here how you can use a fresh bit of foil for a bigger cut and a cleaner finish. And then if you want to add pieces that can blend 2 bits together like I just did, you can use smaller sections of the foil that you have used previously in sections. As you can see on the bit I'm holding here, there's little tiny parts that haven't quite taken, so you can then use that to use as your blending sections. It just looks really effective. I don't know why I've not done this before, but I'd quite like to try it with some other shades and other background colours as well, other than black. Maybe like a nice bright red or pink for Valentine's coming up. Yeah, I was quite proud of myself at this point. I was getting all hyped up, so here's my hype girl with me, giving her opinion on the matter. Bali, do you want to see Mummy's design so far?
Yeah, please.
Ready? Oh, do you love it?
Yeah.
Is that wicked?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do another one. Bali, I need your opinion. Do you think we need to do a whole set of them? Yeah? Are they wicked? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, you heard it here first. Bali Ray said we needed to do a whole set, so we're about to do more. I think I'm glad I did a whole set in the end because I was able to see it as a set, and I know now for sure that I will be doing this on clients and on myself, even though I don't ever wear black nails. I feel like this is just so magical, rainbow, unicorn vibes that quite frankly it needs to happen. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead here now. I'll let you enjoy me doing the rest of them. Oh my god, look how good they look. Okay, anyway, calm down, Megan. Top coat, and then look at them. Look at those beauties. Oh my lord. And I'm not gonna lie, okay, there was a couple that I did the black a little bit too thick on the corners and on the sides. You're probably going to see it if you're a nail tech. A little bit of wrinkly, dinkly shrinkage going on there, but this was just to show you how to do it, guys. I was in a little bit of a rush this day, but Bali insisted I did 5, so I did apply my black a little bit too thick. Don't judge, don't judge. I'm going to spot it out for you before you spot it out for me. Anyway, look how beautiful they look. Please let me know in the comments what you think about this design. Make sure to go over to our website, and it's literally 4 products and you can create something like this, and they look wicked. Perfect for summer. coming up in the new year, and any time really that you want to wear unicorn sparkle nails. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.